Have you got your vacation henna on yet? You got your hands done, your feet done, so maybe your leg, maybe a nice sexy back piece. I hope you've been thinking about what you're gonna be doing with the type of henna design that you want for your next vacation, because you need to look fabulous. Like, you need to go on this vacation looking gorgeous, sexy, beautiful, and feeling amazing. And by the way, I do take clients in Columbia, Maryland at Hennasooq. So if you wanna book your henna vacation and holiday henna with me, I got you covered. So welcome to the channel. My name is Khadija. I am the leading henna hair color expert here, ayurvedic hair care specialist, and I do gorgeous henna and jaguar body art. And in this particular video, I'm actually gonna show you a design that you can take to an artist and you can have them replicate, or you can do it yourself. Yes, you can. I believe in you. I know you got this. So if you are in an area where there are no henna artists, or you just wanna go ahead and dive in and do this yourself, I believe you could do it. And you could slow this video down and pause it as many times as you want, so that way you can get the design exactly right. Right in the description below, we have the direct link to the body art section of our website at hennasooq.com that is filled with all the information that you need to do henna body art. Also, in the meantime, while you're on the page, you can grab some henna cones that are really easy to use. All you have to do is use it and go ahead and do your body art designs, and the color is going to come so gorgeous. You can choose henna, which is staining like that reddish brown tone, or you could get jaguar, which stains a natural black tone, chemical free, all natural, organic. I'm a fan of both. I like doing henna and jaguar because I love the way the red and the black look together. But do you choose what works best for you and what you want to have as a stain, and that's where you can get started. So let's get into this design. Let me show you exactly how I do this beautiful design that you can have for your next vacation or holiday. Let's get into it. Let's get started. So I really hope that you love this design. If you have any questions about this process, let me know. And remember, when you're doing henna or jago body art, make sure that you're giving yourself enough time to leave it on for 3 to 4 hours. If you're really, really busy, I recommend that you buy the Hyperfix tape that we have at Hennasooq.com and do your design at the end of like the day, like when you're about to go to bed, like right before. Do it, let it dry. It should take 15 to 20 minutes to dry about, and then you can wrap it up with the Hyperfix. Like every part of your design, just like put the tape on there, leave it on all night. That way it'll get the most gorgeous stain. And then once you take that tape off and you reveal all that design, and you'll flake off any leftovers, there might be a little bit left, and make sure that you use our Henna Care Balm on that design. Moisturize it, because kind of like tattoos, you know, the better you take care of your skin when it comes to henna, the darker the color will be. And you can expect it to last at least 7 to 10 days, sometimes up to 2 weeks. It depends on how fast you exfoliate typically. And there you have it. Just keep moisturizing, taking care of it, and just enjoy it. Just go have fun. Thank you again for tuning in. Don't forget to hit subscribe and the bell so you don't miss any of the great videos that we have coming out here at Hennasooq. So I'll see you next time. Bye.